Welcome to Lithuania, a land of rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Nestled in the heart of the Baltic region, Lithuania is a country that may be small in size, but is enormous in charm and diversity. Let's embark on a journey to explore this fascinating nation. Lithuania, or Lietuva in Lithuanian, is situated in northern Europe, bordered by Latvia, Belarus, Poland, and the Kaliningrad Oblast of Russia. Despite its modest land size of approximately 65,300 square kilometers, Lithuania boasts an impressive array of landscapes and cultural heritage. With a population of around 2.8 million people, Lithuania is a harmonious blend of urban vibrancy and rural tranquility. Its capital, Vilnius, is a dynamic city known for its Baroque architecture, thriving art scene, and modern amenities. But beyond the cities, you'll find picturesque villages, lush forests, and pristine lakes that make Lithuania a nature lover's paradise. The official language of Lithuania is Lithuanian, one of the oldest languages in the world, and a cornerstone of the country's identity. It's a language that has stood the test of time, preserving its unique characteristics for centuries. Economically, Lithuania is a powerhouse in the Baltic region. It has a diverse economy with key sectors including information technology, biotechnology, manufacturing, and agriculture. The country is a leader in innovation with a thriving startup ecosystem and a commitment to sustainable growth. Lithuanian culture is a tapestry of ancient traditions and modern influences. From traditional folk music and dance to contemporary art and literature, Lithuania celebrates its heritage with pride. Festivals like Jonines, Midsummer, and Užgavėnes, a pre-Lenten celebration, are vibrant expressions of Lithuanian customs, filled with music, dance, and delicious food. And speaking of food, Lithuanian cuisine is a delightful journey for your taste buds. Staple dishes like cepelinai, potato dumplings, saltabarsiai, cold beet soup, and kugelis, potato pudding, are hearty and flavorful, reflecting the country's agricultural roots and culinary creativity. Nature enthusiasts will find endless wonders in Lithuania. The Kyrenian Spit, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a unique sandy peninsula with stunning dunes and pristine beaches. The country's numerous national parks, such as Aukštaitija and Žemaitija, offer breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and countless opportunities for outdoor adventures like hiking, biking, and birdwatching. Lithuania is a hidden gem, brimming with history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring its bustling cities, immersing yourself in its rich traditions, or marveling at its serene landscapes, Lithuania promises an unforgettable experience. So, come and discover the magic of Lithuania, a land where the past and present beautifully intertwine. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lithuania. We hope this video has inspired you to visit and experience the magic of this beautiful country for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Until next time, happy travels!